Today I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste Shopify sections to different pages. This is incredibly useful when you want to maintain consistent design elements across multiple pages without having to rebuild sections from scratch every time. Let's start by heading over to your browser and navigating to shopify.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Shopify admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now that you're on the home page of your admin panel, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Online Store. This section is where you manage your store's appearance and theme settings. You'll see your current active theme displayed here. Next to your theme, you'll notice an Edit Theme button. Click on it to open up the theme editor, which is where all the customization magic happens. Once the theme editor loads, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll see all of your sections neatly organized. Sections are the building blocks of your Shopify pages, and being able to move them around is a powerful way to maintain consistency across your site. Simply browse through and find the specific section you want to copy. When you've located it, right-click directly on that section. A menu will appear with several options, and from there, click Copy. This action stores the section in your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Now direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a navigation path showing Homepage. Click on Homepage and this will reveal a drop-down menu showing all the different page types you can edit. For this example, let's say you want to paste your section onto a product page. Click on Product from the drop-down and then select Default Product. This will load the template for your product pages, allowing you to customize how products are displayed across your store with your product page template. Now look back at the left side of the screen where all the sections are listed. Right-click on any area where you'd like to place your copied section. When the menu appears, click Paste. Your section will now appear in this new location, bringing all its design and functionality with it. This saves you an enormous amount of time compared to rebuilding sections manually. Finally, and this is important, look up to the top right corner of your screen and click the Save button. This ensures that all your changes are properly saved and will be reflected on your live store. Without clicking Save, your changes won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully copied a section from one page and pasted it onto another, making your store design more efficient and consistent. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.